This is the Qanexra Institutional Brief. I am Raymond Bui. Date, December 19th, 2025. Here is the 2-minute deep dive market update. The market is mispricing Warren Buffett's sudden shift in investment strategy. And this matters right now because it highlights a broader trend of reevaluation among institutional investors. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. Gold has been trading around $4,320.35, which is slightly above its 200-day moving average, but still within a relatively tight range. The euro is hovering around $1.17. And while this is a slight dip from recent highs, it's essential to note that the currency pair is still in a long-term uptrend. Bitcoin has surged past $85,000, with some analysts attributing this to increased institutional investment. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 has reached $6,779.39, which is slightly above expectations, but still within a relatively stable range. This matters for yields and dollar correlations because Warren Buffett's decision to dump two of his long-held investments suggests that even the most seasoned investors are reassessing their portfolios in response to changing market conditions. This could lead to a broader rotation out of traditional assets and into more speculative ones, which would have significant implications for yield curves and currency markets. Looking at the chart, we are seeing a clear divergence between the S&P 500 and gold prices. While the index is still trading near all-time highs, gold has been struggling to break above its recent resistance levels. This could be a sign that investors are becoming increasingly risk-averse, which would have significant implications for asset allocation strategies. Final call. We are shorting the S&P 500 long Bitcoin, anticipating a continued rotation out of traditional assets and into more speculative ones. Follow Qanexra for the signal.